Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the topic link layer addressing. Here we are going to see about what is mean by link layer addressing and what is mean by unicast address, multicast address and broadcast address, and what is the use of address resolution protocol. Is nothing but a ARP protocol. In this link layer addressing, we are going to discuss the following. First, we are going to see about what is meant by link layer addressing. A link layer address of the two nodes. A link layer address is sometimes called as a link address, sometimes is called as a physical address, and sometimes is called as a MAC address. So whatever it may be, if we have the word physical address, MAC address, and link address, is say three word is same. Is going to mention the data link layer address. Is nothing but a 48-bit MAC address. It is burned in NIC ROM. What is nothing but NIC is nothing but a network interface card. Suppose if you are buying the new system, every system we definitely have the ROM. In ROM, the manufacturer also they are bought some address in a system. It is a unique address. Also, sometimes is a software settable address. So the format of the MAC address is divided by the 6 section is a hexadecimal notation. In 6 sections is consists of the 48 bit. For example, one is has some 4 binary number, A is has some 4 binary number, and 2 is has some 4 binary number, and F is consists of 4 binary numbers. So total 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. So you say 48-bit MAC address is bound in the ROM itself. It's an example diagram. It consists of a LAN, whether it may be wired or wireless. In every LAN adapter is nothing but a NIC, network interface card. They have the separate MAC address. So MAC address is like a Aadhaar card number, IP address is like a postal address. Why we are saying said like that? MAC address is like a Aadhaar card number is a permanent one, IP address also a permanent one. But MAC flat address is a portability, can move LAN card from one LAN to another. So Aadhaar card is assigned to any human, okay, but IP postal address is assigned to some other place. Suppose the human moving to one place to other place very easily is possible. So can move LAN card from one LAN to another. IP hierarchical address is not a portable address. It depends on IP subnet to which node is attached. Three types of address here we are going to discuss: unicast, multicast, broadcast. We already know what is meant by unicast is nothing but a one-to-one communication. I am sending my information to only one node to the destination side. What is meant by multicast? Multicast, I am sending my information to some set of subnet or some set of network. I am going to send my information to some other network. Is called as a multicast. Is a broadcast is nothing but I am going to send my information to every other network. So what are all the networks available? I am going to send my information to every other network in the internet. So again I am going to repeat, unicast is nothing but I am sending information to only one system in single network or any other network. Multicast is nothing but I am going to sending the information to some other network, whether it may be a one network or two network. So broadcast is nothing but I am going to sending my information to every other network. So unicast, each host or interface of your router is assigned to unicast address. Unicasting means one-to-one communication. Example of unicast address. Here we are giving one example is a 48-bit hexadecimal address. The unicast address, how this is unicast address because of A in binary. So what is the binary address of the A1010? It is a even. For example, in first first portion, the last bit is even. It is called as a unicast address. So multicast, some link layer protocol define the multicast address. Multicasting means one to many communication. Here we are seeing here 48-bit hexadecimal address in 4 is a even. What is a 7 is a odd number. So it is a multicast address because 7 is a 7 in binary is odd. Okay. Broadcast address, some link layer protocol define a broadcast address. Broadcasting means one to all communication. This is the broadcast address because all digits are F is a hexadecimal. Suppose you consider F in each and every digit F is nothing but a broadcast address. Now we are going to discuss about the ARP is nothing but a address resolution protocol is used to map IP network address to the hardware. It is a IP address is used to map IP address to the hardware address. Hardware is nothing but a MAC address or physical address or a data link address is whatever it may be. The ARP protocol operates between network layer and data link layer in the open interconnection model. Here we see the ARP protocol. It is the network layer IP address. This is a link layer address. It is operated between ARP is operated between network layer and data link layer. ARP accepts an IP address from the IP protocol and maps the IP address to the corresponding link layer address is nothing but a data link layer address and passes it to the data link layer. Is nothing but some of the protocol. ICMP is nothing but a internet control message protocol. Is nothing IGMP internet group message protocol. It is an internet protocol. Here we are giving the input to the IP address to the ARP is nothing but the address resolution protocol. It is ARP is operates between IP address and link layer address. Here we are going to discuss between ARP request and reply operation. So host or router needs to find the link layer address of another host or router in network. It sends the ARP request packet. The packet includes the link layer and IP address of the sender. So ARP request packet is consist of the link layer and IP address of the sender and IP address of the receiver because the sender does not know the link layer address of the receiver. The query is broadcast over the link using the link layer broadcast address. You see the diagram. This is the system A, system B and system C and system D. Here the ARP request packet is consist of the link layer address of the sender, link layer IP address of the receiver and is broadcast to the over the all other system in your network. Is a link layer address is a network address. L1 is going to indicate a link layer address. N1 is nothing but a network address. It may be IP address. L2 is a link layer address. N2 is a IP address. L3 is a link layer address. N3 is a IP address. In ARP request operation, the ARP request packet to broadcast to every other system in a network. Every host or router on the network receive the process the ARP request packet, but only the intended receiver recognize its IP address and send back the ARP response packet. The ARP response packet contains the receiver IP address and link layer address. The packet is unicast directly to the node that sent the ARP request. Is ARP request is a broadcast one. The ARP response packet is a unicast. This is the ARP response. System B is a current receiver for the system A sending the ARP reply. The reply packet is consist of the link layer address of the system B, IP address of the system B, and also link layer address of system A and IP address of system A. This is a packet format of ARP. So hardware type, protocol, hardware LAN, protocol LAN. So operation, request operation means we can put one. Reply operations mean we can put two. Source address, source protocol, destination hardware address, empty in request. Why? We doesn't know the destination MAC address in ARP request operation. In reply operation, we have the destination hardware address and destination protocol address. Thank you.